Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visits Tana Road to inspect fire-stricken building, asks officials to conduct safety audit of all buildings in the city. Health Minister assesses infrastructure requirement and needs of Shillong Civil Hospital. Awareness program on the importance of khadi industries to address unemployment problem health in Shalo. And Congress releases a list of 39 candidates for Mizoram Assembly elections. And now for the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today visited the site of the fire incident that killed one person on Saturday at Tana Road in Kindailat. He was accompanied by Chief Secretary DP Walang, DGP LR Bishnoi and other senior officials. A massive fire engulfed a four-storied structure which had several godowns and housed the family of Amit Singhania. During his visit, the Chief Minister asked the officials to submit a report on the incident besides conducting all safety audits of the buildings and ascertaining the cause of the fire. He also informed that a cabinet meeting will be held to discuss the matter on October 18th.
I must thank and appreciate the work that has been done by the officials from, as I said, the departments, the fire service, the police, the administration, and NDRF, SDRF, and of course the armed forces, and a special mention to the armed forces who really supported us in this very, very difficult and complicated situation. And the community was also very supportive of us. At the same time, this is also, of course, a situation where a detailed investigation will be done, and we will go into details of the reasons why this has happened, and of course we will also go into issues of how to make sure that these kind of complicated situations are avoided and can be stopped in the future.
Health Minister Ampreen Lingor today visited Shillong Civil Hospital and conducted a review meeting with the officers to assess infrastructure requirements and needs. It was decided that the work at the hospital requires immediate intervention, and the engineering wing has been instructed to prepare a project for this purpose. The minister also informed about the immediate need for hostel facilities for nurses and the necessity to expand trauma centers and ICU to meet the hospital's urgent requirements. Lingor has assured to take up these matters with the competent authorities to ensure the efficient functioning of Civil Hospital Shalo. The Supreme Court has referred the petitions challenging the validity of electoral bond scheme for political funding of parties to a 5-judge constitution bench. Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, said the matter will be heard on 30th October. In the previous hearing, senior advocate Prashant Bhushan has said the matter needed adjudication before the electoral bond scheme opens for the 2024 general elections. The State Office of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, in collaboration with Shillong Commerce College, organized an awareness and presentation on the theme Khadi for a Nation and Khadi for Fashion at the college campus here today. Addressing the students, the State Director KVIC Shillong Malniram said the purpose for this department is to provide opportunities to the people, especially in the rural areas, in order to prevent them from migrating to urban areas.
So that this department is completely based on Gandhian ideology, and the purpose of this department is to provide employment opportunities to the rural people at their doorsteps in order to avoid migration from rural to urban areas.
Congress has released a list of 39 candidates for the upcoming Mizoram Assembly elections. Congress Mizoram Unit President Lal Sauta has been fielded from Aizawl West 3. Election to the 40-member Assembly will be held on 7th November. The 11th edition of bilateral military exercise Sampriti 11 between India and Bangladesh, which commenced at the joint training node Umrai on 3rd October, came to a close today. The aim of the exercise was to acquaint each other with employment of joint task force in sub-conventional operations under Chapter 7 of the UN mandate. The Bangladesh contingent comprised of a group of 170 soldiers of 52 Infantry Brigade and Indian contingent comprised of 170 soldiers of 15th Battalion of the Rajput Regiment from 66 Mountain Brigade. South Shillong BJP MLA Sanbor Shalai on Sunday donated ₹7,50,000 as financial assistance to 27th Puja Committee's sanction under the Special Urban Works Programme Scheme 2023-2024 under South Shillong constituency to enable Hindu believers to celebrate Durga Puja and Deepawali at their respective areas. He handed over the financial aid to the officials during the pre-Durga Puja and Deepawali get-together for harmony in Laban. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 22.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 13.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 50% and in the evening 65%, rainfall nil, forecast light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And now for the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma visits Tana Road to inspect fire-stricken building, asks officials to conduct a safety audit of all buildings in the city. Health Minister assesses infrastructure requirement and needs of Shillong Civil Hospital. Awareness program on importance of khadi industries to address unemployment problem held in Shalo. And Congress releases a list of 39 candidates for Mizoram Assembly elections. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का संघर्ष दोनों का सदियों से संबंध रहा। पानी तो पहले भी था, कभी कांधों पर, कभी कमर पर, कभी माथे पर, कभी आंखों में।